it fell off. Well, coming back from my last trip, a trailer ahead of us had a blowout. Car was towing a trailer, the trailer had a blowout. I couldn't avoid all the tyre debris, and I believe it took out my freshwater pipe, because when I came home and wanted to empty the grey water, that was fine. I walked round the other side of the van and thought I was going mad. I couldn't find the blue tap, and the pipe had ripped off. Luckily, the elbow over there was still attached to the water tank, but of course, as soon as I filled the tank up, it all came pouring out. So, a little trip to Screwfix got me a 28mm bit of pipe. 3 metres was the minimum I could buy, so I had to cut that to length. I sourced the blue tap from Amazon. Other places are available, of course. I think that cost me £13. The pipe cost me £7, and it even ripped the bracket off. So what I actually did, I did buy some brackets, but I sent those back, and I got what's called, I never heard of them before, a Munson ring, and I've bolted it to the undersides of the van. I'm not sure if I can get down and have a look. I shall show you that in a second. And then it's got a rubber lining, and I can just clamp that up, and that's holding the pipe safely and securely. And if you bear with me, I'll just show you how I've screwed it onto the underneath. 1 second. See if we can get under there. There we go. Yeah, literally, you can see where it's whipped out the van. And that's like just a straight bit of metal bracket with a 90-degree twist in it. But I've gone for this method. As I say, I hope that'll be okay. Now, some people might say that I've left the pipe perhaps just a little bit too long, overhanging the side. Well, I hope not, but if not, I can always cut the pipe down. That's not a hard job to do, of course. I just used a hacksaw. A bit of microboard tape, and then that got me a nice clean cut, nice and square, and then just filed it off with a bit of emery board. It's just push fit. I haven't glued anything on or used any compound, because if this ever happens again, hopefully if anything breaks away, it'll just be a nice clean break away from the elbow and I won't have too many problems. But I did use some silicone spray just to make the push fit a little bit easier to get on, because it's quite stiff. But now it's on, I think it's there, and well, I haven't done a journey since, so we'll let you know how we get on. And that's the saga of me coming back through Essex and have some tyre tread from a trailer. I believe, not 100% sure, but that's the only one thing that happened. Excuse the wind, I don't know if it's coming through on the camera. Yes, that just whipped the pipe off. Anyway, there we go. Another video for you. Stay tuned for more videos coming up very soon. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe. We do appreciate it, and thank you ever so much. Goodbye.